Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can contact customer service on Amazon. If you have any issue on your orders or your account, then on this video I will give you a simple tutorial on how you can easily contact your customer service on Amazon account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Amazon account. Then after you create an account, with verifying your account with email address and password, just click on your account. Then guys, you need to scroll to customer section, then click on customer service section on the bottom. Then guys, wait a few seconds. This is the all issue you may be faced on your Amazon account. Then for example, I will select the login address and security and privacy, for example. Then I will give you a simple example on how you can easily contact the customer service on your Amazon account. Then for example, I will select login and security. Then guys, choose password and email or login. Then guys, automatically click on I need more help to contact directly the customer service on your Amazon account. Then click on I need more help. Then guys, it give you a different option on how you can contact customer service. For example, the first one, request a phone call, or you can chat with us. Then after select which one you are using, then automatically it's give you the ability to contact the customer service on your Amazon account. As you see guys, this is the easy method to contact customer service. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.